basically the most iconic guest fragrances that there are, and which are, let me show you some. Let
Especially
me show you the
today,
bottles.
right? I mean, it's such an
Yeah.
important Eve. It's Christmas Eve, and I'm
And for
actually all
tomorrow,
ready to step out
I can see
after
that.
our live.
And for tomorrow as well, like for Christmas brunch, for Christmas dinner,
Exactly.
I think we have the best fragrance, best picks from Guess, and these two.
Exactly. So we have the fragrances that we want to talk about today, and
Yeah.
while dressing up, right? That's literally the last thing that you apply, and you feel like you're like ready to step out.
You
That's like
basically
the
you never,
garnish.
as they say, you never fully dressed without perfume, right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
So tell me,
So
which one is your favorite Guess fragrance?
see, I'll tell you. Let's start with Guess. So
Yeah.
Guess for me is a it's I think for everyone, as we know, it's an iconic brand. Like it's been here
Yes.
since years and years, and it has a very great line of fragrances as well. Out of those great fragrances, it was hard to choose for us to pick the best for this festive season to suggest everyone. But then we came out with the Seductive line, which is I think the most iconic Guess lines, and it's one of my first fragrances from Guess. So this one, this is the Guess Seductive Homme. So I bought this. I think my first bottle was about 5, 6, or maybe 6, 7 years ago. Insane. Like every time I wear
Yeah.
it, I have people asking me, "What is that you're wearing? What is that fragrance?" There been people who've asked me about it and went ahead and they've bought it. I know so many of my
Wow.
friends, and basically, this being marketed towards men, this is such a this. I for me, I think everyone loves it. I know
Can you show
some
me the
people.
Seductive for women? I love the shape of the bottle. I also love the shape of your bottle. It's so
Yeah,
nice.
I think it's so simple yet stunning and so easy to pack as well. See these bottles,
Yeah.
so easy to
Really.
pack, right? For travel also, they're so travel friendly. And this one is the Seductive Homme. This came out in 2011. I don't know if you know.
Love this. I
And
love
this is the
packaging.
flanker. This is the flanker that came out in 2019, I believe.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically this is Seductive Homme and this is basically the Noir. This is the night version of the same.
And both of these, actually, all of the Guess fragrances are available on Tata. They're
Tata
actually
Click.
the authentic fragrances that you can get on Tata
100%
Click.
authentic. I think this one's perfect for the Christmas brunch. The Seductive.
Let's spray it. Let's
Let's
spray
pray,
it.
yeah.
Yeah. So we'll be spraying it on our pulse points, right? So on our
Then
wrists.
the rest you can spray it over here also. These are our pulse points below the neck. This area, right under your ear. This.
And it's something that I would wear probably on a date night, because it's so romantic. Like I don't know, I feel like very uh, like sexy and confident.
Yeah,
Um,
that's true. That's true. I think it's this one for me. I think it the name is justified, right? It's so seductive, so
exactly,
attractive,
it's
it's so
amazing.
sexy. I mean, I'll end up sniffing sniffing myself.
And I feel
It's
like
actually very good. It's my favorite guest fragrance, hands down.
this is basically I'm getting like a little woody smell as well. I don't know about the seductive that you.
An amber fougere.
Yeah.
This is more dark. This is more. I think we can call it more spicy and more sweeter also. Than this is also sweet and spicy, but this is
Yeah.
basically a darker version with loads of amber added. Perfect for the night. I think this is perfect
So
for.
this one is the noir, right? This is the
Yeah.
seductive noir.
Yeah. So this is the
Okay,
same
amazing.
one.
So
See the
first of
bottle. I
all,
love the design.
yeah,
Look
it's
at the rose
amazing.
gold. Look at the rose gold with the black.
And I love the packaging of this one. You know, it's like very glossy and it has this gold embossed, you know, iconic Guess
Yeah, it's very nice.
fragrance,
Yeah.
like the
Great
logo.
packaging. Great. Also great sprayers. Huh? I'll show you.
Yeah.
See. You
Should
can
we
you
spray
can
this
you can
one?
you can basically control your spray. See now see.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. So this one's actually, Natasha, I'll tell you what, this is perfect for parties, date nights. Also date night. This one's also perfect for date night. But this one's more
Yeah.
of a party. This one's more of a party perfume. For
I
me,
feel
according
like
to me.
for
Yeah.
me, this perfume I would wear for a night like tonight, right?
Yeah.
Like
Perfect.
when I'm stepping out with my friends, you know,
Yeah.
I feel like whenever I wear this perfume, it's, you know, it's a head turner. People are not
Of
looking
ha-
at you. People
no
are not
doubt.
looking at you of what only you're wearing, but also how you're smelling. You know, the
No doubt.
scent.
Both of these
Yeah,
for that
it's
matter, both of these,
amazing.
yeah. And this one, I'll tell you, Seductive Home. This, I think, for men, this makes for a perfect signature scent. Signature scent
Yeah,
is like basically your fragrance. You walk in, people know that okay, you are walking. This is
yeah.
something
Rahul
so
has
versatile.
arrived.
Yeah. So this is something that's so versatile. This can be for your office wear. This can be for your parties. This can be for your date nights. I think
Okay,
this makes for
someone's
the perfect.
asking which one can we use for daily wear. I think it would be seductive. I think this is
I think
something
out
that
of these two, for daily wear as a signature scent, I said this one.
yeah,
Basically for night outs, for parties, maybe for evenings, this one.
it would be seductive noir. Rest, right?
Yeah. Make
Yeah.
the most of it. Go buy these. You won't regret.
We've also pinned the offer in case you want to check
Yeah.
it out. Yeah. Okay, let's spray this one, the seductive noir.
Yes. I'll, since I've sprayed it over here, I'll spray it on this side.
Yeah, even I was wondering what should I do. Tell me your first impressions.
Seductive, sexy, appealing, whatnot.
So
This
for
is
me,
like a
it's
sweet.
very
This is like a very sweet ambery fragrance.
yeah. I feel like for me, it's very fresh, floral, but also very very sexy and seductive. Very playful actually. Playful would be the right word.
Actually, yes. These basically for the night, for your parties and all, you need
Yeah,
playful, sweet, seductive fragrances.
and
I think there's
definitely head turner.
I think the
That
name is totally justified on these, right? Seductive and
yeah, for
seductive
sure.
noir.
A lot of people are just saying hi, hi, hi.
Ask something, ask something.
Ask you
We're
guys can
happy,
go ahead
happy
and
to
ask
answer
any
everything
questions
for
that
you.
you may have.
Hi, Pankuri. Hello.
I'm just scrolling up so that if I have missed any questions.
Come on, guys, ask what is the cost?
I think and figure out because they also
Yes,
have some amazing offers.
they have some.
So you
So
might,
I think the it's basically marked down to a lot less than the retail on the offer.
yeah,
So it's better you guys go to Tata Click and check it.
yeah,
But rest assured, you guys will thank me later. These two are amazing.
yeah. Even like these two, seductive
Yeah.
and the seductive
So
noir,
Natasha, tell
amazing.
me,
Yeah.
when did you start?
Probably in college.
Yeah.
And like you rightly said, like, you know, seductive was the one that I started using it because it's something that you can actually wear on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So this one is the one, the seductive one. And like you said, like, you
And
know, it's very, very easy to wear. You know,
Yeah.
it becomes sort of my signature scent. So then, you know, I
So do
really
you have
like
any
it.
memories attached to it? Any incident or something like that?
Oh my god.
Because I
Yeah,
totally
this
remember.
was the fragrance. This was the fragrance that I was wearing when I went out on a date with my husband, who's my husband right now, with Yash basically. So
that side, I got this basically scent trail of yours. It was so nice. What is this fragrance? I want to gift it to my boyfriend. So that
that's so
I still
nice.
remember that. Yeah. So this is that fragrance.
Yeah, like exactly. So someone's
Yeah.
asking what's the base note for the black one. So for the black one, the
For
base
the
notes
black
are,
one, I think the base note is vanilla.
yeah,
Base the middle notes come. Then it settles down to a base. So what we do is the major mistake that people make is when we go to malls or somewhere to buy
yeah.
fragrances. So they spray, right? They spray. They do 1 2 spray, and they're like, "Oh my god, it's so good." So what I suggest everyone is, and how everyone should go about it is, spray
Your clothes. So you
So
should
yeah,
spray
so
it or perfume on your
I
skin.
suggest, yeah, skin and clothes both. So I
Yeah.
suggest spraying on both because I feel with skin chemistry, everyone having a different skin chemistry, a certain fragrance will not stay like for as long as it stays on you, it might not stay on me. Depends on my
Okay.
skin, right? It might
Yeah.
not project on me. If a fragrance won't project or won't like scream from your skin, people won't get to know about it. Like a fragrance shouldn't be a shy one. Like okay, not these are not just close encounter fragrances. Like okay,
Yeah.
someone's hugging you and only then they'll get to know about it, right? So
You walk
these are
past them and again, still they
yeah.
can,
It's
you
about the
know,
scent trail,
they
the
can smell
sillage.
your
We call
scent.
it the
Yes.
sillage. It's called the sillage, a scent
Yeah.
trail. So yeah, these are bangers. I suggest.
Tata Click. I think that is something that
Yes,
someone's asking about the link.
approved,
So guys,
approved by
I
me.
can't post the link here, but do check out their website. They have if you Google, like if you
Yes.
type guest fragrances on Tata Click's website, you will get both of these fragrances. So for me,
And attractive. And uh, a dark, a sweet, or maybe something that is very strong won't. It'll go very bad when sun hits your skin. A sweet, dark fragrance would go bad. Like it can choke you actually. A very strong fragrance in the sun can choke you. Whereas a lighter fragrance would be more pleasant, would be more fresh. Some rich fragrances towards the night. Yeah.
someone's asking when is the best time to apply fragrances. I think that would be
I think
especially
every time I apply them before I sleep. So it's basically it's a feel good thing, right? Fragrances make you feel good. They uplift your mood. So if
yeah.
I don't remember a night where I'm not sprayed a perfume and gone to sleep. I come
Oh
out of the
wow.
shower, I spray.
So
I change my fragrance. Yeah,
for
I
me it
keep
would
changing my
be
fragrance in the day.
for me it would be like when I step out of the shower, when I'm stepping out of the house. I mean, not when I'm sleeping, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
for me it can be when I'm about to sleep before that because it uplifts my
Yeah.
mood. Certain is for you. This one's a perfect signature scent for men. You can keep it with you. You can keep one at home. You can keep one in the car whenever you step. So you've left home. You've sprayed 2-3 hours. You're out for the day, and after 2-3 hours, just refresh it. Just spray it again and refresh it. You're entering a restaurant, going to meet friends. Keep refreshing. That's how I do. That like I love spraying my fragrances, and I enjoy them a lot. I think
Great.
it's one of my
That's
greatest passions
amazing.
ever. Yeah.
I hope this live makes this live session makes everyone.
It
Yeah.
gave you some knowledge about fragrances.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
hope it was worth your time and you all enjoyed it. I had a good, I had a lovely time with Natasha and name of boy perfume. So the one for the boys is one is Seductive Homme and one is Seductive Homme Noir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Similar for women, right? So seductive and seductive noir. So these
Yep.
two are the
So
ones
this
that
one
we
would be
spoke about.
Seductive Femme. This one would be Seductive Femme Noir, I guess. Femme and Homme.
Yeah. Yeah.
Female and male. Yeah. So it's like that. So go grab your fragrances. Guess is a lovely
On
brand.
Tata Click.
It's yes on Tata Click with some great offers. These fragrances have got you covered with everything, quality, smell, compliments, the sprayer, the packaging, everything is top notch. You won't regret.
Amazing. So it was good to have you, Rahul. I hope we get to do this soon.
Thank you so
Have
much.
a great night and have
You
Merry
too,
Christmas.
and Merry Christmas to you and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Yes. Bye. Bye,
Bye.
guys.